I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real.
What's up, YouTube? This is Mr. Fresh back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Huawei Media M3. So I just wanted to do this quick review and give you my opinions on this tablet, because it's been a really good tablet for me. I've been using this tablet for a little over 5 months now, and it's been a great tablet. And I know there's already Samsung just came out with the tablet. I know that Apple is also dropping there pretty soon. So that's why I thought this would be a good time to kind of just show you guys how good this tablet is. It's been working really great. No hiccups, no problems. Okay, so this is Huawei Media M3. So this one is a high silicon 950 kernel chipset with 4 GB of RAM, and I believe this one has a 32 GB of storage right there, and this is running on Android 7.0. So and it's on EMUI skin. And the skin is actually not bad. I'm actually happy with the skin the way it is. Has a nice little feature. You can, as you can see, let's go into the setting here. And if you look at the setting, it has all these. You can do fingerprints. So let's actually walk around before we get into this inside the operating system. Let's walk around this. So it has headphone jack on the top. There's a speaker. This one does have a dual speaker. Has a volume rocker and on and off switch. Fingerprint sensor. You have your micro USB and another speaker. And this is also, let me just take this case off so you guys can see. This is it's almost like a goldish silver color, and this is tuned by Harman Kardon right here. And the camera is 8 megapixel, both front and rear. I covered the front one. Also the fingerprint scanner here, it's pretty fast. If you can see right here, it's very very fast. And you can also use this as your back button or recent app. So if you press on this corner, it will go back. If you go up like that, it will go to your recent app. So that's pretty cool feature. So I have turned off the navigation bar in here, so which I really like. So now let's dive into the setting. You have your normal setting. So this is actually, by the way, this is a 4G LTE version. They also have the Wi-Fi version, I believe. I opt out on getting the 4G LTE one. Although what I've learned after I got it is in United States, it only catches up to H+. Very rarely you'll get 3G. So keep that in mind if you are going to buy this tablet. I would say just get a Wi-Fi one. You know, if you're looking to get one, that would be the best way to do it. Yeah, otherwise you're only gonna get H+ or 3G occasionally, and that's on T-Mobile network. Okay, so let's get into this setting here. Setting, you know, your normal setting you have. It does have this how you want to set up your home screen. So you can have it standard or drawer like your phone. So I kept it on standard. I don't need to see any of the other apps. So that's that. Display, your usual display. You know, has your brightness, color temperature, color mode, You could pick right now. I mean, it only has one mode, so I'm just gonna have that, keep that color temperature. If you want to set that up yourself, eye comfort. You can set this up as how you want to view the display at night. I believe it does have the eye comfort feature, I believe. Let's see, yeah, right there, eye comfort feature. So if you know, if you're gonna be reading at night or using at night, that's your thing there. Here's your navigation bar, so whichever you like, if you want to have that or you want to have that. So I chose the gesture bar, which I really like. I also got used to in my OnePlus 6 as well, so I really like that. I wish I could do that on my Note 9, and I believe the Samsung 10 experience is going to bring that. So that's going to be pretty good. Okay, well, get back into this Huawei MediaPad M3. So as far as your daily use, it's great for watching your Netflix, YouTube video, playing a game. It does play very well. This is a Gameloft Gangster Las Vegas, I believe. Yeah, and it plays very well. The gaming is pretty good. No hiccups. It does do it. But if you play, I believe if you play for a little while, it does get a little warm to the touch, which is fairly normal. It's gonna happen. If you're gonna play graphic intensive game. But if you look at it, there's no hiccup. The graphics are great. So let's go ahead and listen to some music. I want you guys to listen to some music here. So let's see if I can. Let me pull out my. I have some beat that I made, and I'll let you guys listen to some of that. Let's see. So you guys can hear the speaker. So speaker is great, dual speaker. So it's great for movies. As you guys can hear, so that's great for movies and all for your entertainment. So if you guys like that. That's a good way to try. Let's see. Let me see if I can. I'm not good at playing piano. I'm still learning, but let's see if I can. If this is oh, there it is. So that's your piano app that I had. Just wanted to let you guys see it. But for the most part, like I said, this is a great tablet, great specs. I'm really happy with this tablet. I think you could still find this, I believe, between 250 and 300. Great, build quality. So I'll try to find some links, and I'll put some on my description below. So go ahead and check that out. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video and if you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share with your friends and family. This will just help me bring more content like this to you, and I'll greatly appreciate all your support and everything. So thank you very much. I'll catch you on the next one.